Hey guys, just wanted to pop in and say Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year. I will be taking a break for a couple days and I'll be posting again on Tuesday, every week. So make sure you're subscribed and tuned in. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Thanks for watching my Vlogmas series this year. Here is a little sneak peek of our Christmas morning. Enjoy. So flashback to Christmas Eve, I spent literally all day, probably like 24 hours straight, trying to make these custom gemstone beads, which you will be seeing in an upcoming video for my mom. She likes these little like random chunky bead gemstone looking bracelets in various colors, and each color you have to custom mix and pour. So it took a little while, but I think they turned out pretty decent for my first try. I'll explain all my mistakes and the method in my next video. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this, and in case my mom's watching this video, Merry Christmas, Mom. This is what your present looks like. Not seeing my family on Christmas this year, but it's okay. We'll see each other soon enough. But yeah, how do they look? Leave it down in the comment box down below. I made her 3. These took me forever. You better cherish them. If I had to sell them, I would sell them for like $1,000 each because it took so much time and effort. Anyways, on to Christmas morning. Baby's just opening his presents. So yeah, you can enjoy watching that. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, everybody. I will see you on Tuesday. Make sure you stay safe, stay healthy, stay warm, and have happy. Sorry guys. I stayed up till like 3 a.m. making those bracelets. So yeah, have a happy and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year. I'll see you guys soon.